Blue has a color set feature that allows you to change color combination of a project theme at once like this. You can make the screen bright with white base color for daytime, or make it easy on the eyes with black base color for nighttime. Also, you can fill the entire screen with an alarm color when an error occurs. You place an object and change the color set, but it's not easy to make the hue you expect. It's because the color type is decided in every column in the blue color palette, like this. If you know the type, you can realize effective color set changes. This video shows the color combination technique in details. You can change the color set with color set property in the tool chest of Project Explorer. Change it, and the color of the parts in tool chest will be changed in black. For example, place a switch object. Look at the color setting. The blue on top in the third column from left is selected as default. The column in the red frame is a color that is each color set name. For example, when you select blue dark, the color changes to dark blue. And silver dark for dark silver, alarm for red alarm color. You should select the base color of the entire screen from that column because it follows the features of the color set names. In blue, the background of the most objects in which some characters are written is white. And black is mostly used for characters alone. The two columns in the red frame is a palette that consists of black and white only, and it's suitable for use in background and characters. Like this, select the color set with dark, and the color will change to black, with light to white, and with alarm to red. These columns are linked to the color set names. When you'd like to set colors different from colors of color set, or black and white, the palette in the red frame is useful. This consists of 7 kinds of optional colors, and their gradation colors. For example, set blue-green for equipment 1, green for equipment 2, and purple for equipment 3. As you see, they change to different colors from the color set name. If you create the screen after understanding the 3 categories of the color set colors, black and white, and other colors, you can use the color set feature effectively.